Hello.
Hello, hi.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Maddox.
Why are you on Britain's Got Talent?
I am desperate to perform magic to an audience just like this. And magic has always been a dream of mine. And last year I decided to take the plunge and to do it full time.
Best of luck.
Thank you very much. Now, if I was to show you all something up here on stage with this Rubik's Cube, I'd be worried that because our judges are a little far away, they might actually miss the moment. The cube solves itself. So if it's okay with you, please may I come down and show you this close up?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now, a Rubik's Cube, turn them and mix them up, they get jumbled up real fast. And then the only way to get it back to the beginning is to get all the colors to come back together. I want you to look just here for me and watch. One by one, you can actually see those colors start to reassemble themselves until it's...
How does he do that? I have no idea.
Alicia, would you be so kind to give this a really good mix-up for me? Keep turning and mixing it, and whilst you're doing that...
Alicia, come on.
Simon, I'd love for you to help me also. I've got another cube here. It's not mixed up. I don't want you to mix it up. I just want you to choose a color, and whatever color you choose, put it on the top to say you chose yellow, put it on top, and cover it up so no one can see it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
How are we getting on, Alicia?
Yeah, all good.
Lovely. Let's check this out. Okay. Now, if you were to look at this cube, you can see all the colors mixed up all over. Now, Simon, can you see the color you've chosen on the cube?
Yeah.
Alicia, would you mind putting your hand flat like a table for me, just like this? We'll put it just up here. I want you to stay perfectly still for me, just like that. Now, Simon, we're just going to reveal the color that you chose, if that's okay. The color white. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Now, Alicia, all I want you to do is look right here, and I want you to think of the color white. Watch. 1, 2, 3. White just vanished from every single side of this cube.
What?
Every side but the side. Now, before I finish, Amanda, I would love to try one last thing with you on stage. Would you mind coming up for me for a moment? Thank you. Thank you, Amanda.
You're welcome.
Now, if you look at the cube, when people are trying to solve it, they basically pay attention to where every single piece is before they find the solution. But we're not going to have you do that. We're going to have you solve this Rubik's Cube without even thinking about it. So, put both your hands behind your back like this. Now, I want you to turn the cube behind your back just like this. But that's all I want you to do, okay? Now, I'm going to give you one last look. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let me know when you feel it in your hands. That's great. And just start to turn it, just as I showed you. That's great. Perfect. So I want you to believe, Amanda, that you can solve that Rubik's Cube.
I can do this. I can do it.
You can do it, Amanda!
Thank you, Dad.
She's got this. Now, I want you to stop turning the cube. Now, close your eyes for me. Audience, there's 43 quintillion different ways to mix up a Rubik's Cube. And wouldn't it be amazing if, Amanda, you could do the impossible thing tonight? Not me, but you.
It'd be a bloody miracle.
3, 2, 1. Put it in front. Open your eyes.
¿Cómo estáis?
Pues mira, teniéndote mucha envidia por ese pelazo que llevas.
Bueno, perfecto. Bueno, pues yo os voy a hablar esta noche del cubo de Rubik. A mí me encantan los cubos de Rubik, yo los adoro, y ellos a mí también. Fijaos, este, por ejemplo, este está que se derrite por mí. Os ha encantado este chiste. Bueno, yo sinceramente prefiero un cubo que sea un poquito más sólido, como por ejemplo este, ¿veis? Este es más sólido. Este cubo es muy cariñoso, así que en vez de girar sus capas, voy a acariciarlo. Y él solito se va a ir resolviendo. Ya veréis. Yo lo voy a ir acariciando y os va a dar la sensación de que el cubo lentamente se resuelve. En realidad se resuelve por amor, por un amor superlativo. Amor al cubo. Solo acariciándolo.
Ha molado, ha molado.
Tiene más facetas este cubo, claro, es acróbata. Mira, yo lo voy a ir mezclando y Edurne, por ejemplo, ¿no te importa? Yo voy a ir mezclando y tú cuando quieras me dices, detente.
Vale.
Así que yo me pararé, pues cuando quieras. ¿Puede ser?
Detente.
Pues como tú me lo has dejado, voy a lanzar el cubo al aire. En el aire él solo va a girar y va a caer resuelto. Pero para darle más dificultad todavía, lo voy a lanzar por mi espalda. Así. Pues venga, contamos todos hasta 3. Fuerte. 1, 2 y 3. Y queda completamente resuelto.
Yo estoy flipando, pero está genial.
Bueno, este cubo es una versión de bolsillo del normal, ¿no? Pero bueno, porque sea de bolsillo también tiene derecho a ser resuelto, digo yo. Así que lo voy a intentar resolver en nada más que 10 segundos. Todo el público va a contar de 10 a 0 y vosotros también una cuenta atrás. Yo lo voy a intentar resolver. Lo que pasa es que en vez de con las manos, lo voy a resolver con la boca. Sí, amigos, sí. Con la boca. Vamos allá, yo os aviso.
Ay, 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 ay.
¿Preparados?
Di Constantinopla ahora.
Constantinopla. ¿Listos? ¡Ya!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Ya está, ya está.
¡Conseguido!
Lo he resuelto con la boca.
Y al final en menos de 10 segundos. Qué curioso. Pero claro, podéis pensar, Raimon, ¿tienes algo en la boca? ¿No? Quiero que veáis que no. O podéis pensar, este cubo tiene algo extraño, seguro. No, yo quiero que de verdad comprobéis que es un cubo normal. Así que, pues no sé, Risto, ¿no te importa con tus propias manos
Después de estar babeado.
comprobar que es un cubo normal?
¿Qué soy yo?
Venga,
Eres el elegido.
A ver.
Yo-
Si te da asco,
No,
estoy
no.
vacunado, lo prometo.
No, yo, un privilegio como este, yo se lo dejo a mi compañera.
No, de
Edurne,
verdad.
claro que sí.
Que yo he hecho ya
Risto,
muchos
va.
trucos
Que
de
te da
magia.
asco.
Creo que tú tienes que hacer
A ver,
esto.
espera.
Porque él no se cree mucho
Atrae
la
un
magia.
momento.
Tiene que hacerlo él.
No te preocupes, porque yo vengo preparado como buen mago y te he traído unos guantes.
Hombre,
Muy bien.
son de
Porque-
los que me gustan a mí, además.
Mira qué suerte.
Para jugar a los médicos, ¿no?
Sí, sí, sí.
¿Así?
Ver a Risto Mejide ponerse un guante de látex haciendo así es inquietante.
Ahí lo tienes.
¿Y ahora qué hago?
Comprobar que es un cubo completamente normal y además, chicos, ahora podríamos decir que este cubo está chupado. ¿Es verdad o no?
Es absolutamente cierto.
Si tus chistes fueran tan buenos como tus trucos, tío, serías la bomba.
Ay, a mí me gustan.
Mira,
Me
gracias.
Está chupado, es muy bueno.
No, los trucos sí, los trucos sí.
Pues espero que hayáis descubierto que el cubo de Rubik da un poco más de sí, ¿no? Quizá alguno lo tenía ahí lleno de polvo, deshecho, el pobre en su casa, y ahora cuando llegue, pues le dé un par de vueltas y se rompa la cabeza. Gracias.
Yo es que la rabia ha ido en aumento. O sea, ha empezado con el pelo y ahora ya le tengo envidia por muchas otras cosas.
Ya por todo, ¿no?
Yo no sé vosotros, pero yo no he pillado absolutamente ninguno y es espectacular verlo de cerca.
Eso es buena señal, gracias.
A mí me gustaría un pelín más de golferío y un poquito más de cachondeo, pero la magia supera al humor, me guste a mí o no. Así que, felicidades.
Te doy un sí.
Para mí es un sí.
Gracias.
Sí.
Para mí también es un sí.
Our first act is a master puzzler, so can solve any problem. Unbelievable. Here we go.
My name is Flavian. I'm from Romania, and I'm a speedcuber.
So, what's going down?
Today I'm gonna solve this toy.
You're going to solve it.
Yes.
So if I was to mix this up, are you saying that you can do it straight away?
Yes.
Even if I don't show you what I'm doing?
Yes, of course. Here.
So how long will it take you to do this?
A few seconds.
A few seconds?
Yes.
Right, if you do this in a few seconds, I'll give you a bag of Haribo. Right. Before you do it, I know what you're thinking. Yeah? I know it's dull. So we've got the moment. 2 seconds, he said he can do this in.
Okay.
Go. 1, 2. Not done.
What?
You said 2 seconds, my friend. So, can you please give me a sort of realistic time on this diabolical mess?
15.
Really? Can you do it in 10?
10? Okay, I'll try my best.
Right, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not done. So, let's do another one.
You're saying the numbers too fast.
What?
Like, you say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are not seconds.
Right. Go. 15, 14, 13, 12,
What?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Incorrect. Absolute disgrace. And I tell you what, mate, you slightly embarrass yourself. You know what you don't get? Rory. There you go, Rory. Well done, you. One for Joel. I'll feed it to you, Joel, because I know you like to be fed. And we've got 2 bad boys left. Yum, yum.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Flavian.
And where do you live, Flavian?
I live in Romania.
OK. So what made you want to come on Britain's Got Talent?
Today I came on Britain's Got Talent to make a show with the intelligence.
Oh. So are you saying that we're not a show with intelligence?
No, not about this. It's something different. I really want to make it to be good.
Good luck.
Thank you. So, I have here 3 cubes. They are all scrambled, completely different. And now I'm gonna solve them blindfolded.
No.
What? Are you crazy?
Look, what's he doing? It's taking his feet out of his fingers.
Oh, get it. How did you know that?
Oh, we're doing it.
this planet. Honestly, because I don't think genuinely a human being should be able to do that.
Brilliantly entertaining, something we've never seen before, and we've absolutely no idea how you can possibly memorise all those moves.
Flavian, I think that was really impressive.
What we witnessed today was extraordinary, so well done.
Okay, David?
I'm going to say yes.
I'm going to say yes.
It's a yes from me.
Flavian, even though I don't think you are from Earth, I'm going to say yes.
Some people thought that you could see through the blindfold. I can categorically confirm this is my own blindfold from home.
Okay.
So, would you mind?
Yes.
You don't. Do you mind?
Just put it.
Oh, mate.
Okay.
Right. Good luck to you. Let's see how you do. On your marks, get set, go.
That's it.
Please make some noise for Simon Westland. Just happened. That's not a trick one. That's very.
What's your name and where are you from?
我叫阙建宇，我来自中国。
What's your talent?
我今天要表演一个很不一样、很神奇的魔方复原。据我所知，这种方法在亚洲只有我一个人会。
Placing them back as he
No
juggles?
way. I mean, I think this is gonna take a while. You guys want to order some chicken? No? Alright. He's almost there.
Hun Hao!
谢谢。
Kids like you are going to solve tomorrow's problems.
谢谢。
Let's vote. It's a yes.
Yes, yes!
Third yes for me.
再见。再见。
And what's he going to do next?
Same thing with 4.